In this AI era, there are a lot of tools coming up every single day. Google is busy releasing a lot of AI tools. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this new platform which has been launched by a Germany company, and this particular platform is where you can actually see all of the AI tools, softwares, applications that are trending right now, which you can actually promote to get commission from the owners. And this is actually called affiliate marketing. I'm going to be showing you how this thing works, how you can actually get started with it step by step. Alright, on this dashboard you're going to see a lot of stuff going on. You can show here we have the overview, we have the creative library, we have the referral payments of affiliate marketplace. Okay, so if you click on this section that says marketplace, you're going to see a lot of product that has been launched on this very platform, okay, which you can actually promote whether you have audience or not. They have lots of trending AI tools which is going to simply make it easier for you to make people buy from you. Okay, for instance, if you're promoting tools like CapCut, tools like Canva, you don't need to say much for people to actually click and buy, and that is what this particular tool right here offers you. As you can see right here, there are a lot of tools right here, and each of these tools has their own commission percentage. Okay, which means if you are able to promote this particular product, the owner of this particular product is going to simply give you a certain commission out of every single sale you make. Okay, and for you to get started on this very platform, there are things you need to put in place. Okay, first thing first, you need to look out for where you have to simply promote this product, and secondly, you need to actually look out for the type of content that will promote each of these products. Okay, first you need to have a platform of your own, either a blog website, a YouTube channel. Okay, get yourself a website blog just like this, or you get yourself a YouTube channel. Right, so once you have that in place, go to this particular website. You can show right here, click on the search button right here, this tiny button, search for Affonso, AFFONSO. All right, just search for this on this particular website, search for it and click on search button, search result for Affonso. All right, so scroll down, you're gonna see right here, click on this, then you have to simply scroll down to that section that says affiliate. Okay, so you have to simply scroll down to this very section. Okay, then click on the sign up button right here. All right, so once on this very section, click on this create account button, put in your email address right here. Okay, click on the create account button. Okay, so they're going to simply send you a code to verify your email address. Okay, then click on the continue button. First you need to do is simply answer most of these questions they're going to ask. Okay, so this is what it says here. Tell us about yourself. All right, so how do you plan to promote our product? That is the number one thing. Okay, number one way that I recommend, which is what they also recommend, is content marketing, which is having a blog website. Okay, so if you have a blog website, that is going to simply help you a lot. Okay, so if my team have already built a website, developed it, you can actually use it to run this stuff. All right, so you can also use the social media, okay, to promote it if you have a social media platform, but I recommend having a blog website. That is one of the best way. Okay, because most of these social medias will not allow you to promote link. Okay, but your website gives you full control of your affiliate marketing. So I'm going to be selecting that, then select email marketing, then click on the next button. Don't select paid advertising. Most of these platforms will not accept you if you're using paid advertising. All right, so click on the next button. Then the next thing you need to do is simply they're going to ask you your experience. Okay, I'm going to be selecting this, so you can select it as a beginner, you can select as intermediate, so I'm going to be selecting advanced. All right, so click on the next button. Then they're going to ask you, please share the links of your main promotional channels. All right, so I'm going to be selecting let's say I want to add, I've already added me John Francis, so I'm going to be adding Padet Vibes. Okay, all right, so once you have that in place, click on the next button. So they're going to ask you, have you successfully promoted SaaS product before? I'm going to be telling them yes. Add your previous examples. Okay, let's say I want to promote, I want to add, you can add any product you've already promoted before. All right, then click on the submit button. I'm going to be adding Jude Frank. All right, you have to select your country, so remember this is going to simply work for you in any of these countries listed right here. Okay, so select your country from here, then click on the continue button. You're going to get your own affiliate link after registering your account, so click on complete. Okay, so you can show right here, creating the account is not really difficult. All right, but you have to make sure you have the information that requires of you. Right, so once you have your account ready, go to the marketplace section. This is where you're going to simply see a lot of products to promote. Okay, so remember, before you start promoting any product, make sure that that particular product is under your niche. Okay, so before starting your YouTube channel, you already know your niche. Okay, before starting a blog, you also know your niche. Okay, so if your niche is about technology, you have to actually promote something that's related to business, technology, SaaS, and all of that. Okay, you're going to simply look at for the commission that they're giving for each of these promotion. All right, so what you need to do is simply pick the ones you want that are related to your own niche, then apply to promote them. Okay, so for instance, if I want to promote this one right here, which is AdMob, okay, I can actually click on the join button right here. When I click on that, then I can decide to visit the website to know how it looks like or what it does, okay, before applying. Okay, so you can see right here, we've already visited. This is the website right here we are trying to promote. Okay, this is a color palette website. Okay, once you view the website, you have to decide if your audience will be interested in this. So after deciding that, you can actually click on apply to join. Okay, so you're going to be creating your own affiliate. You can show here onboarding. So once you see go to portal, it means that you've already applied to promote it. Okay, so if you click on the go to portal button, this is going to simply take you to where you can actually see the affiliate link, all right, which you can actually start promoting with. Okay, so if you click on that, it has already taken me to the affiliate product which we are promoting. Okay, so you can see this is your affiliate link right here, and you can actually copy it. When you copy that, you can actually view it on the browser section here, and this is going to simply take you to the right product. Okay, so what you need to do is simply apply for as many as possible. Most of them are going to simply pen your application. They're going to review it manually. After reviewing, they can actually give you approval or decline. Okay, so it doesn't really matter. If they approve you, you are good. If they don't approve you, you look for the next affiliate product to promote. Okay, so once you grab your affiliate link, the second thing you need to do right now is to start promoting this particular product. Okay, and that is where your commission comes from. Your commission doesn't come from folding your arms or dropping your link on your dashboard or leaving it dormant or abandoning it. Okay, it doesn't come from that. Your commission comes from solving people's problem. All right, for instance, this particular tool right here, which is Nano Photo AI, what you need to do is to actually go ahead and try it out yourself. Once you try this particular tool out and you know that it is working for you, you can actually make a tutorial video on how to use this particular tool. Then by so doing, you can drop your link for people to actually register with. You could just make one video and leave it just like that for you to promote itself. No, you will make several videos talking about different parts of that particular tool. Okay, so the more videos you make, the more visibility you give your affiliate link. Okay, so that's for people that are using YouTube. So if you're not using YouTube, what we need to do is to actually use your website blog. Okay, so if my team have already built your website blog, you can actually use this particular strategy to get this done for yourself. All right, for instance, this particular tool right here, which is Vanguard AI catalog generator, the only thing I need to do is to actually come up with a title that will actually solve people's problem. Okay, and instead of this particular post, there is an affiliate link in it, and also there's a disclosure or a disclaimer, okay, telling people that there is an affiliate link in that same post. Okay, and that is basically how you promote this, okay, on your website. And if you scroll down right, you're going to see other AI tools which we are promoting on the same website. Okay, just like this. People are searching for these AI tools on Google, on Bing, on Yandex, on DuckDuckGo, on social media, right? Because we've already made a post or a detailed review about each of these AI tools. Once they search for any of these AI tools, our own blog post will pop up, and with that, the advertisement right here will benefit us, and also the affiliate link will also benefit us. All right, I've already made several videos about how you can actually write affiliate review posts. Okay, so if you've not watched that, go ahead and watch this video showing on screen right now. It is going to simply show you how you can actually write affiliate product review. Then you start promoting your own product on your website. Once you make a post on your website, the next you need to do is simply go ahead and share it on social media like Pinterest, like Facebook, like TikTok, like any other platform. The more visible you are, the more traffic you get on your website. Okay, you don't just hide yourself in a particular place and expect to get people to see you. Even Facebook as a company is on TikTok, is also on YouTube, so that they can actually gain more visibility. They are still advertising. So how about you who just started a blog? You just want Google to index you. You're only focusing on Google alone. No, it doesn't work that way. You can actually utilize Pinterest, you can utilize X traffic, you can utilize Facebook and other platforms to get more traffic to yourself. And this is basically how you can actually promote your product, make sales on Affonso affiliate program. Okay, you can actually go ahead and try this out for yourself. So if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and join us on our Telegram channel, WhatsApp channel to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next one.